And then I see that there are more comments. I'm just going to go over Snap, so I'm not leaving this these comments unattended to. But yeah, almost 35% drop on the day. Where could I see this going? You know, this I did already did this retracement from the high there to the low here, so completely valid still. Yeah, so from this retracement, what we can see is that price opened just above the 618 at let's see, that level is at $11.94. Price opened up today at $12.03, so just above that, right around $12, psychological level. And we did close, though, at $11.41. I think that is probably going to be coming down to the 786 at a price of $10.32. But let's see, are there other things that stand out? Look at this volume profile. We've had a lot of consolidation at that level. And so I do think that it will be finding support around $10.32. Possible it doesn't make it to that level because this volume shelf does look like it picks up right around $10.78, $10.75. So I do think that this is going to be continuing lower. And so I would keep a lookout for sub 11, 1075, and really $10.32. And what I have been doing based on these Fibonacci retracements that I do is if there is a position either I want to establish or dollar cost average into, add to, or trim, it helps me to remove emotions. I just set orders at Fibonacci levels or alerts at them. And so what I might do, which I can do here, is I might create an alert at, let's see, I don't know why I have one all the way at 8, but I will change that to $10.75. I will, get an alert if it goes to $10.75, and then I could assess, do I want to place a buy order? For me, the way that I roll is, I just establish small positions like one share at $10.32. And just to get, really get practice in exercising the discipline of, okay, did it settle there? Is it showing signs that it might reverse? Okay, then maybe I sell that position at the 618 retracement or, do a retracement to the bottom here. Like I can do that here. And, maybe price does come down to that level. And then, trimming at around $12 or selling that share, whatever, might be a good strategy. And so I do that pretty small just because I cover a lot of stuff. I can't be involved in everything, but I, just kind of experimenting to see how trading these Fibonacci levels works. But I do see the volume shelf there from this consolidation over here. And let's see, what's this level, this low here? I don't think we're going there. But we do see this little blip here. What does that also correspond with? Really, it's just like the volume shelf. But we do see this pivot high there. And so I could put a line there. It does also look like there's that gap, which I will draw in a second. So this is at high of $10.60. So I'm just going to make that right on the dollar. And I'll make it yellow. That is, a level that does seem to correspond with that Fibonacci level. We do have this gap here. It looks like that was filled now, so we can check that off the list. And then also we do have this wick up to that yellow line approximately at that Fibonacci level. So I feel like getting, below 1075 to 1032, maybe $10, that might be where Snap finds a bottom. So have to look at that. And then, if you want to go long term, that might be a good level to go long term, or if you want to swing. And so really what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get better at swing trading on this channel. And so that's why I try to identify these levels. It's like you don't want to marry the stock, you want to marry the wins, you want to marry the gains. And so if you get really attached to something, you can't take advantage of those gains. So that's kind of my philosophy there, the philosophy I'm working on.